is Chiamaka, and as usual, like you guys know, I'm always glad, I'm excited, I'm usually excited to have you guys there, to have you guys come and watch me. So if you're a new subscriber, hi, hello, welcome to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning to watch another of my video. Okay, so in today's video I'll be talking about 5 things that are necessary in your lip gloss formulation. In my last video I talked about 5 unnecessary things not to add in your lip gloss, like they have no business being in your lip gloss, you understand? So in today's video I'm going to be talking about 5 things you need to add in your lip gloss. Like if those things are not in your lip gloss, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're making. If these 5 things are not in your lip gloss, then I don't understand what you're making. You may be making lip balm or lipstick, I don't know, but you're not making lip gloss. If these 5 things I'm going to be mentioning are not in your lip gloss formula, like then you are not creating a lip gloss. You're just wasting your time. Like your people will say, I'm sorry to say, but your people will say oshilonshi, like you are doing rubbish if these ingredients are not in your lip gloss making, in your lip gloss formula rather. So if you want to know what these 5 things are, then I urge you to sit down and relax and watch this. Hey guys, welcome back. So now the first one is Versagel. Now Versagel is the base of your lip gloss. This is the base on which you're going to be pouring or adding in your fruit art, your hydrogenated polyester, your pigment, and the rest of your ingredients. This is like the most important ingredient in your lip gloss making, in your lip gloss formula rather. This is like the most important ingredient, and it is usually thick. So I'm going to show you guys a picture of what the Versagel looks like. You guys see how it is. Don't mind the coloring and all of that. This is what the Versagel looks like. Guys, can you guys see how thick it is? I don't know if you guys can see. This is how thick the Versagel looks like. This is what you are going to be using as the base of your lip gloss formula. Like without these ingredients in your lip gloss formula, I'm sorry to say you are not creating a lip gloss. You might be making a lip oil for all I know, or a lip balm. Okay, so you need this ingredient. Now the second one are carrier oils. Now carrier oils help to loosen your Versagel. As you can see from the picture I showed you guys before, this is the Versagel. This is how thick it is looking like. So you cannot just package, you cannot just get something like this now and then add just coloring and flavoring oil and package and sell to your customers. No, it's going to look like those lip gloss they get from the roadside sellers or those ones they get from the Malam store. Okay, so you can't just package something as thick as this and give to your customers, alright? Even though some people usually like thick lip glosses, you can't package something like this. This is way too thick and it is really sticky. So you need like a carrier oil or carrier oils, depending on how many carrier oils you are using. You need carrier oils to loosen up the Versagel. And also carrier oils have wonderful benefits also on the lips. Apart from loosening the product, they also helps like hydrate the lips, moisturize the lips. They have wonderful benefits on the lips. So if you're making lip gloss, you need to include carrier oils in your product. Okay, now this is a sunflower oil. This is a sunflower oil. This is how it is. If you're making your lip gloss, depending on how many tablespoons you are going to use, it is important to add a carrier oil in your lip. Now the third one are Pigment. Now if you want to achieve that beautiful color you usually see on Instagram, you go to a vendor's page and you see, wow, she has these beautiful colors of lip gloss. If you want to achieve something like that, if you want to create a lip gloss and you want your lip gloss to look exactly that way, then you need to add pigment. Depending on the type of pigment the person uses, some people usually use liquid pigment. We have liquid pigment and we also have powder pigment, which is the mica powder. Okay, so depending on the type of pigment you want to use, it is important to add pigment to your lip gloss, except when you are making clear lip glosses. Okay, now adding of lip gloss is to help give the lip gloss a color and to like add like a tint and also make the lip gloss aesthetically pleasing to the eye. There's some glosses you will see, you'll be like, wow, I love the color of this lip gloss rather. I love the shade of this lip gloss. That is because of the pigment they are using in their product. Okay, so if you want your lip gloss to be appealing to the eyes, then you need to add pigment. You can add liquid pigment, you can add powder pigment. So this is the picture of I don't know if you guys can see. I'm just going to put this close. This is the picture of a red Pigment, this is what it is looking like, and it is so it's so liquidy. Okay, now the mica powder comes in powder form as the name implies. Okay, so you need all of this to make your lip gloss look so beautiful. You need to add pigment. For your lip gloss to look so beautiful, you need to add pigment. Now the fourth one is have you ever noticed this thing before? Flavoring oil. When you buy a lip gloss from a vendor and then you open the lip gloss for the first time, like when you just perceive the scent, like there's this nice scent the lip gloss have. It is because of the flavoring oil. It is not the work of the Gel. It is not the work of the pigment. It is the work of the flavoring oil to give it that nice scent. Okay, so if you want a nice scent in your lip gloss, then you need to add flavoring oil. So we have tons and flavoring oils. We have flavoring oil, we have vanilla, we have chocolate, we have iced tea, we have bubble gum, we have strawberry, we have watermelon, different lip gloss and flavoring oils, and they help to give your lip gloss a very nice scent. If you are looking to start a lip gloss business, if you are thinking of making your own lip gloss at home, then you should definitely include flavoring oils among the fifth and the last one to get. Okay, hydrogenated polyisobutene. Now this is what hydrogenated polyisobutene looks like. It is in liquid form. Okay, so you just need to go in with a few drops of it in your lip gloss, and then your lip gloss we have this extra shine, we have this glossy finish. Like there's this glossiness it gives, like what I say, there's this glossy finish hydrogenated polyisobutene gives to lip gloss that you don't want to miss in your lip gloss. If you know you want to be creating luxurious lip glosses, like top-notch lip glosses, then you need hydrogenated polyisobutene in your glosses. Of course, they are present in the Gel, but if you want to be extra and then make your lip gloss shiny, glossy, classy, then you need hydrogenated polyisobutene in your gloss. So you sure don't want to miss this ingredient in your gloss making formula. Okay, so you need your Gel, you need your carrier oils, you need your pigment, you need your flavoring oil, and lastly you need your hydrogenated polyisobutene to make your lip gloss top notch, to make your lip gloss luxurious, to make your lip gloss perfect the way you want. You know the way a lot of people view Fenty Beauty lip gloss as top notch. That is the same way people are going to review your own lip gloss too, because if you add all of these things in your formula, I guarantee you a lot of people are going to be coming back for more. You're going to be getting positive reviews, because with all of these things, like these are the most important things you need to make lip gloss. We have other things you need also, but these ones are the most important thing. Like when you when you add these things in your gloss, I can guarantee you you're going to get excellent results. You're going to get beautiful results, and you have customers coming back for more, because your gloss is going to be top notch. Okay, so thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I drop a new video. And also, if you have video suggestions, or if you have any video you would like to see on this channel regarding lip gloss and body butters, then do let me know in the comment section. I will be reading all of that. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.